I really enjoy my model class presentation and learn a lot from it.
Lab activities concept is more clear to me.
Best part of our curriculum is we learn by fun activities and experiments.
In our tier, after every lesson, there is one page of activity which make us easy to understand and doesn't make us bored.
We are not taught through only with books and books. We are learning through activities like verbs, proverbs, synonyms, prefix, and etc. We do all these activities in maths lab or in our classrooms also.
I don't need my parents' help in the homework because my teachers discuss my homework in the class only.
Because of these exercises, we understand the topic very well.
Our tier is divided into 6 parts, which is very easy and it has many interesting and good activities also.
We are not pressurized to do studies here. First we do the activities to understand the chapter before starting a unit.
We do many hands-on activities before starting a new unit.
We enjoy the activity and learn explorers easily and we understand properly.
I can do homework on my own. I don't need anybody's help.
Between the nurture methodology and the traditional method of teaching, the difference I find is this method is more related to the practical aspects of life. The children learn things more easily. They are more self-dependent rather than being dependent on their parents or their teachers.
So by doing all these dramatic presentations and activities in the lab, the students, their confidence level is increasing and the concepts are more clear to them. Now they are learning with their own pace because every child has different grasping powers. So they are doing the activities and they are learning at their own pace.
Nurture methodology, we can change the activities if we want to conduct a different activity for any concept. The teacher is free to change it.
The activities make their classes very interactive also. If they are having any kind of doubt, with the help of activity only they are just clearing it out. As we are following the philosophy of compete with ourselves, so in this way they are not having this kind of thinking that they have to be more than the other child, they have to be superior than the other child. So they are just competing with themselves only.
There is a separate period for diary writing where they write for the entire day what they have done and how the day has passed and which periods they have liked the best. So it's quite different from the conventional mode of teaching.
The way here we learn from the play cards and activities and all, kids love it. This provokes their thought processes and all.
In our times we used to just have the blackboard and paper pen, but now this has become like a 3D. We are actually seeing the objects, what is quantitative, what is qualitative. So these different things, they just get imbibed in our mind, in our children's mind, and that memory is for permanent. That is I'm sure.
मुझे लग रहा था ये 1 2 3 कैसे सीखेगा, ये तो बोलता ही नहीं था, लेकिन इसमें यहाँ स्कूल में बताया कि आप राजमा लेके या सिंगदाना लेके कुछ भी लेके आप काउंटिंग करवाइए तो आराम से करता है बाउल में लेके।
प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि बच्चे के ऊपर मेंटली प्रेशर नहीं है।
इतना होमवर्क नहीं होता जितना होमवर्क मतलब बच्चे के ऊपर प्रेशर डाला जाए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। जितना भी कराना होता है स्कूल खुद ही प्रॉपर यहाँ पे कराता है, लिमिटेड होमवर्क देता है जिसमें बच्चे पढ़ना ना, क्योंकि इनके बर्डन ये उम्र ही नहीं है कि इतनी ज़्यादा इनके ऊपर बर्डन डाला जाए।
जैसे पहले था कि मुझे बड़ी टेंशन रहती थी, अभी क्या हम टेंशन फ्री हैं अभी वो अपने आप कर लेती है।
School there is no pressurization that okay you have to become an engineer or a doctor or specifically something. You are given you are allowed to think and be passionate about your dreams. That is why nurture is pretty good, and I simply hope that they keep up with their vision, with the vision which they had started.